This is a Dr. Bill Quarter, physician, consultant, and author, and I would like to address two questions. When do you go to sleep, and when do you wake up? For most of your visits to your physicians, the question is framed in terms of insomnia. That's not the issue with my questions. I'm not trying to give you a pill to help you sleep. In fact, I'm a strong advocate against sleeping pills. But what is important is when you go to sleep and when you wake up, because those are crucial factors that affect your health. Earlier we discussed fasting as being a pillar for physiologic restoration. The second pillar for physiologic restoration at night is the quality of your sleep. In Chinese philosophy, 1 hour of sleep before midnight equals 2 hours of sleep after midnight. So for those of you who go to bed late, 11 o'clock, midnight, you actually are losing out on some of the best physiologic restoration time. You're shortchanging yourself both in terms of your quality of your overall sleep, but the quality of your healing at night. So the recommendation I have for you is, for most people, the best time to go to sleep is around 10 p.m. All of us need a little bit of a rudder of the evening, a rudder before we go to sleep. And by that, I mean a time to decompress. Years ago, 100 years ago, when you went to sleep, the average person probably had a single candle. Today, when you look at the TV, our lights, our computers, it's 1,000 plus candles. It takes a time for the body to reset. It takes time for the body to get ready to fall asleep. So for most people, a simple recommendation I have is to start trying to get ready for bed around 9:30. Give yourself a ritual so that by 10 o'clock you're climbing into bed. If you do, you're going to give yourself your best chance of a good physiologic sleep. Now for some of you, it may not be possible. So the question I have for you is, when do you get up in the morning? If you get up, let's say at 6:30, the key is to go backward in time and to see what's the best time for you to go to sleep. Each of us has a sleep cycle of 90 minutes. That sleep cycle repeats all night long. So if you wake up at 6:30 in the morning, going backwards in time, that's 4 p.m., that's 4 a.m., 2:30 a.m., that's 1 a.m., that's 11:30 p.m., and 10 p.m., and 8:30 p.m. Not many of us are going to go to sleep at 8:30. So the choice of going to sleep at 10 p.m. versus 11:30 is significant. For those of you who go to bed at close to 11, you're losing that 90-minute period of restoration. You're shortchanging yourself that extra period of restoration. So I would like you to keep in mind the simple directive, the simple request to add that extra bit of time and to add it early, not late. Many people love to sleep in late. The physiologic advantage of that decreases. There's diminishing returns. The best physiologic repair is early, not late. So keep that in mind and see if you can make that slight habit change. If you can make that slight habit change, shifting your dinner earlier, shifting your sleep earlier, I think you'll find a fundamental, significant improvement in your health. That's a small habit change. Doesn't relate to your diet, doesn't relate to any pills, but it can make a difference. And it's these small differences that can lead to the greatest improvements in your health. So give it a try. Give yourself 2, 4, 6 months. I think you'll notice a difference. So thank you for listening. I hope it resonates with you. If it does, please check the website. Let's educate each other. Check the videos. And together, let's see if we can't find better health and a better life. Thank you.